Jamie?
Holy sh... Oh.
Get in there, y'all, get in there. I don't know where this thing's going.
Jordan, get in here.
Shut up. Get in the closet. Ooh, it's comfort now. Hope it don't get my house. Dude, that's gonna get my daddy's house all day. Let's get my daddy's house all day. After this thing's gone, we're gonna see what's gonna take out.
Look at it.
Oh,
Oh my God.
oh, shit.
Get in there.
There ain't another one. Is that one right there? No.
How do I get my own video?
Holy cow, dude. This is freaking awesome. I've never really got to see one up close like this.
And it's like, I feel like...
Look at it. Look at it.
I feel like I'm on dang storm chasing.
I bet that thing's freaking...
2 miles wide.
Yeah.
We're back at the worst spot for another one to start with.
Get in. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there.